What's up, guys? 2007 Dodge Caliber. This brake light here doesn't work, so he got pulled over. So we're gonna replace the brake light bulb. So it's a very simple job. We're gonna come across over here a little bit so we can pay attention. So there's two clips that we have to remove. One is this right here. So you can use a flathead screwdriver or a tool such as this. This is just to pull off the clips. Very simple and easy. And there's one down here. So it's supposed to look like that, but somebody put different clips here. So usually they break over time. That's fine. So what we're gonna do next is, let me see if I can get this in there. And pull this clip off. Okay, that's that. Same thing here. I'm gonna get this off. A lot of dirt. Okay, and next step is simply getting this light off. And I like to kind of just hit on it and it just comes right out that way. Come on, I was holding it. There you go. So we're just gonna move the camera this way so we can see better from this angle, so you guys can see. So pretty much these two notches go in here and they kind of slit up. So very simple and easy. Back here you got this little guy right here. Okay, you see that? All you do is you turn this counterclockwise. This guy comes out. So get yourself a corrector bulb, 3157. I'm gonna grab the bulb and I'll be back. So here's the bulb. Remember, there's 3 wires. That means dual filament, and it doesn't matter if you put it this way or this way. But if you put a single filament bulb in there, it's probably gonna short circuit everything. And then we're gonna simply just put this in, and this goes in. Okay, I'm gonna clean out the area where the clips are. And then we're gonna focus a little bit like that. And now all I need to do is kind of line these two right here. If you want to put a little bit of grease, that'd be a good idea. But that's it. Just try to have the housing, this part of the housing, on the outer edge of this metal here. So next step is very simple. Okay, we're gonna put the clips in. Yeah, hate the clips. One, kind of hold the light in place to do this, and then 2, and then you can just tap on this and tap on that. Bada bing, bada boom. Should take you no more than 3-4 minutes maximum. Press the brake light and it should work. Put on the turn signal, put on your lights, they all should work. If you put the wrong bulb, your fuse will blow, then you're gonna have to check a few more things. Anyways, thank you for watching, and bye bye.